Hey everyone, welcome back to my favorite work. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to see a review on Suganda's BHA Exfoliating Serum, which is a very mild serum that suits perfectly for acne, oily, prone skin. So come, let's see a detailed review on this product. So the product comes in a tinted glass bottle and it has a filler on top with which you can easily take out the product. All the details regarding the product is clearly mentioned in the bottle. The ingredients, expiry date, manufacturing date, everything is clearly given. So the product consists of 2% salicylic acid, centella, green tea and olive leaf extract. Salicylic acid is nothing but BHA. So they have mentioned it as salicylic acid. Both are the same. So this exfoliating serum helps to exfoliate your skin very mildly, and this is so perfect for people with acne and oily skin, because an acne prone skinned people cannot do a physical exfoliation because it might give a further acne breakout. So this product is so perfect for acne prone skin and my skin loves this product. The unique quality of the serum is to exfoliate dead skin cells and also penetrate the pores, which result in reducing acne. The salicylic acid in the serum has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property, which helps in soothing the skin. So if you are someone using the serum for the first time, all you have to do is just take 2 drops of the serum, mix it with your moisturizer, apply it on your skin at night. This serum is so perfect for people with oily skin and also with combination skin. I don't suggest any dry skin people to use this product because it might further dry up your skin. Use this product at least 2 to 3 times a week to see an amazing result on your skin. Serum works very well on acne, blackheads and whiteheads and regulates oil production on your skin. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.